Hello friends, it's Miss Mariliis here, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of our favorite toys from the classroom. Do you remember this bag? It's the bag of our number game. Do you remember? We got this number line from 0 to 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it goes on. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. And it can go on and on. I know you haven't got this toy in your house, but I'm going to show you today how to make it. You need some egg cartons. We got them over here. Loads and loads of them. And you need scissors to cut them. You need to ask your mommies and daddy's help to cut them. And you need paint and paint brushes to paint them. Okay, so let's get going. So guys, I'm just about to finish my number 10. It's all blue. Just make sure it's entirely blue everywhere. And then you just need to put your egg cartons, when you finished all of them, to dry. Well, here you are. I got over here my number line until 10. If I open it until I got it until 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19, 20 and 21. But I painted my egg cartons until 10. You can do it as much as you want. Exactly the same way I got it in here. Number 1 is 1 egg carton and I painted it orange. Number 2, number 3, number 4, you see, number 5, that's red, number 6, let's check if it's 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, number 7, pink, number 8, that's green, number 9, you see, and number 10, that's blue. All nice and colored. And that's it, boys and girls. We got our favorite toy from the school. You can make a number line like this with your mommies and daddies and the egg cartons, and you can use it as whatever you want to. You can build a tower with them. You can see how can you build a tower, putting them on top of each other. You can try to see what cartons you can put inside. Number 9, for example. 4, 5. You can do loads of things with that. It's super fun. Okay, enjoy, and when your toy is ready, why don't you send me a photo of it? Let's see how it turned out. Bye bye.